The Earth is what we all have in common. Hi folks, this is Keith, your host for today, and I'd like to welcome you all to the second episode of Save the World Saturday. So let's begin. So we have Joyson here with us today. He's the HR manager at Adi Shakti Cars. Hi Joyson. So Joyson will be sharing of a few implementations Adi Shakti Cars have taken in helping save our environment. Go ahead Joyson.
Yeah. So we are following rainwater harvesting system. So the system is of catching rainwater where it falls. The roof water becomes the catchment, and rainwater is collected from the roof of the building, which can either be stored in a tank or diverted to an artificial recharge system. So at Adi Shakti we follow artificial recharge system where rainwater is collected from the roof of the building, is collected through a centralized piping system, and then discharged to a stormwater drainage. This will in return increase the amount of water that enters the ground reservoir.
Okay.
So benefits of this would be like reduces the flooding and erosion, reduces water bills, reduces the demand on groundwater, can be used for non-drinking purpose, and can improve the plant growth. To adopt the system, regular maintenance are not required. It's a simple collection system, can be constructed that most people can easily build and maintain. Rainwater harvesting and storage can be incorporated in both rural and urban areas and provides many benefits to the individual, communities and to the environment.
So that's a really good initiative which Adi Shakti is practicing in terms of harvesting rainwater. So apart from this, what are the other things you all do, Joyson?
Well, apart from rainwater harvesting, we also focus on reusage of water with basic level of purification, and that is called as effluent treatment. We have installed a 10 KLD effluent treatment plant as per Karnataka Pollution Control Board norms. This plant is designed based on chemical biological treatment concept. The inorganic matter which is mixed with water after washing removes chemicals from the effluent, and at the end, water is available for non-drinking usage or to dispose safely.
Okay, great.
So our treatment process consists of pre-treatment, secondary treatment and tertiary treatment. Pre-treatment would be like screening and mud trap, oil and grease trap and equalization. In secondary treatment, we follow flocculation tank, settling tank, sludge disposable system. And in tertiary treatment, two filters have been used. One is pressure sand filter and activated carbon filter. To operate this plant, we require three basic things. One is electricity, second is chemicals, and third is the manpower. Chemicals, like we use 2 kg of alum powder and 1 liter hypochlorite to purify the water. The treatment process results in reusable clean water, saves your money as well water for our plant.
Great. So thank you Joyson for giving us a detailed explanation on the various initiatives taken by Adi Shakti Cars in terms of helping save our environment. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Keith.
I hope you all enjoyed this episode featuring a few of the implementations taken by Adi Shakti Cars in helping save our environment. Stay tuned for knowing more about what we do in the coming weeks. So kindly like and share our pages on Facebook and Instagram, and do subscribe to our YouTube channel.